Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a We're Not in the Dark episode anymore. Oh, this is our life. Okay. This we got in Asia. My mother used it sort of as a jewelry box. It's dusty, but I don't know. I can't read that. I don't know what it says. Anyway, it fell down. My beautiful, wonderful wife over here has the Antiques Roadshow on right now. And they're in Boston, Beantown. And reminded me that the junk store over here in our town, well, we have more than one junk store, a lot of junk stores up here. They have a Tredle sewing machine for $100. I phoned them sometime last night and left a message on their machine asking if they could, if they would keep it for us, for, you know, we could get it next month. You know, and I'd understand if they charged us, you know, 10, 15, 20, 25 bucks as a holding fee. I would love to have that Tredle. Only $100. A Tredle machine. It has the sewing machine itself. It has the cabinet. It has the Tredle. It has the leather cord. Everything's there. It might need some tune-up or who knows what, but it would be really nice to have a Tredle sewing machine. Also, I'd like us to get a hand-cranked washing machine, but that is over $300 new, and that's kind of expensive. $5 million?
5,000.
Oh, 5,000. But
It's a highboy base.
Great-great-great-grandfather had a traveling stove.
So anyway, we haven't heard back from them, so maybe they sold it or maybe they don't want to do it. But it'd be really nice to have that Tredle sewing machine. Really nice.